Sony STR-AZ5000ES Premium ES 11.2-Channel 8K AV Receiver Review. Real theater results. The movie started, but something felt wrong. Dialogue was clear, yet the room never disappeared. Explosions sounded loud, but flat. A friend once paused a film halfway through and said, "This should feel bigger than this." That quiet disappointment is familiar to many home theater owners. It lingers. Have you experienced that moment too? Over time, that frustration builds. You tweak speaker placement, adjust levels, and still feel something is missing. One weekend, a neighbor swapped cables for hours chasing better bass, only to end up more exhausted than satisfied. The stress becomes tangible, almost heavy in the chest. It adds up quietly, but there is a cleaner way forward. This is where the Sony STR-AZ5000ES Premium ES 11.2-Channel 8K AV receiver becomes the turning point. Don't just pick any AV receiver. Make sure it has advanced room calibration so you avoid uneven sound and hollow surround imaging. With Digital Cinema Auto Calibration 9 and 360 spatial sound mapping, this receiver adapts to your exact room instead of forcing your room to adapt to it. The result feels immersive rather than exaggerated. Dolby Atmos and DTS:X processing create height and depth that extend beyond speaker boundaries, while 8K and 4K at 120 HDMI 2.1 support keeps visuals future-ready for gaming and cinema. One busy professional nearly missed a demo presentation because his older unit kept glitching during format changes. After installing the Sony STR-AZ5000ES Premium ES 11.2-Channel 8K AV receiver, switching became smooth and reliable. That first calibrated playback can be eye-opening. It also integrates with Sonos and major control systems, quietly expanding its usefulness beyond a single theater room. Stay with me. After a few weeks, the new normal sets in. Movies feel cinematic, dialogue remains anchored, and bass moves through the room with intention instead of blur. One respected reviewer described the ES line as offering pristine sound with a rock-solid build, and another enthusiast said Atmos music felt extremely immersive in daily use. An everyday owner shared that couch-shaking bass and clarity finally matched expectations without constant tweaking. I noticed something similar in a 7.2.4 setup, scenes tracked overhead with surprising precision. Some users have reported occasional quirks like format pops, but Sony's 5-year ES warranty and responsive support offer reassurance, and most owners describe flawless performance long-term. The Sony STR-AZ5000ES Premium ES 11.2-Channel 8K AV receiver also integrates easily into smart systems, which means fewer remotes and smoother workflow across zones. See why so many enthusiasts refuse to step back once they experience it. Which upgrade matters most to you? Immersion, clarity, or integration? The Sony STR-AZ5000ES Premium ES 11.2-Channel 8K AV receiver is less about louder sound and more about balanced control that lasts. Join the many home theater owners already noticing smoother playback and more believable surround imaging. Results may vary depending on room and speakers, but the structural improvements are easy to appreciate. Thoughtful upgrade. If you are ready to elevate your system with confidence, visit the link in the description or pinned comment and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.